Mrs. Mrs. Hello. Michelle, how are you?
Hi.
Haide. For Filipine.
Shovel the snow.
Hai, for Filipine. For Filipine în Tagalog. Haide.
Ito, nabuhukay ng yelo. Maraming yelo. My God. Hi, Kamanavi. We start digging the ice.
Mr. Ravi, how are you?
How are you? Good. Aulo.
Spune-i ceva lui Ishi și lui Popoi. Hai, spune. Întreabă-i ce fac în engleză. Haide. Te rog.
Do you want Popoi, Ishi, to dig all the snow?
Hai, Tagalog.
Maghukay tayo ng yelo. Popoi, Ishi, tulungan niyo ako dito. My God. Maraming yelo. Look, in the Philippines, there's no need to dig for the snow. No treasure. Here, lots of treasure. Treasure of what? The snow. Oh, see? You see the snow? Hi, Mr. Reindeer. We start now. Tired? Go. No? Come on.
Michelle, now slow again. We go.
Of course, big again. Go.
Mommy.
Okay.
Oh.
Come on. Be careful. Maybe there's a kakaong. Maybe there's a kakaong. Nasa your back. The snow will go inside.
Call Kikita, Michelle. No, call
Kikita, hi there. Hi, Kikita. Hi. Help us. Help us, Kikita.
Look.
You want that, huh? We clean already. So that the gate will open. Look, the treasure is there.
What?
The treasure. The kakaong Kikita is the treasure.
What?
You put there the treasure. Put everything.
Oh yes, Michelle, you only get down the I get on you. Okay, now Michelle,
Apollo. Put it there. Don't put it back again here.
I get slow.
Because